Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 100% free CrateDB time series certification. So we'll go through the step by step process. So here dive into the world of time series data with the official CrateDB Academy time series course. In this video we'll break down everything you need to know about the working with the time based data using the CrateDB from the fundamental to advanced concept. So first question is that what is the CrateDB? CrateDB is the high performance distributed SQL database designed for the handling massive amount of machine data and time series data in the real time. It combines the simplicity of SQL with the scalability of NoSQL, making it ideal for IoT, monitoring system, and analytics platform and more. What you will learn in this course: time series data basics and real world challenges, how to ingest, manage, and query time series data, visualization techniques for the better insight, hands on experience with the Jupyter notebook and GitHub resources, practical use cases for modern data applications. Why we use the CrateDB? Real-time analytics at scale, seamless SQL queries for the large data set built for IoT logs and event-driven data. Distributed architecture for the high availability. So certification and exam details. Access to the exam after completing all lessons. Multiple choice format, no time limit, open book exam, use course material anytime, score 75 or higher to earn this certificate of completion. Retry anytime if you don't pass the first attempt, and share your certificate on LinkedIn or social media platform. Need help? Join the CreateDB community forums and connect with the other learners and experts. Whether you are a data engineer, developer, or analytics, this course is your gateway to mastering the time series data with the CreateDB. So start learning now. So this is the URL. You can go through this URL. So create a academy, take free courses and get certified. So there is a sign in option is there. If you are the new user, you can go through the sign up option. So here you have to provide your first name, last name, email address, company name, job role, and country and nation, and you have to submit your form. Then I have already created my account, so I am going through the login. So let me log in. So welcome to CareerDB Academy. This is the looks like a certificate. So check out the course, enroll, you get certified, go with the time series. So click anywhere, lesson one, or you can just go through the URL as I provided here. Introduction and all the course, what you will learn on this modeling of the real world time series data in CrateDB. So other details are there. And this is the lessons. So course detail, introduction to time series data in CrateDB. So all the courses are there. There is a time limit is there, time define is there for the video, and time, how much time it will take for the one course, one lesson. So continue with the course. So advanced time series. So welcome to the course next session, and here you can get all the details. Okay, all the details, and there is a final exam. Complete all the details step by step process and begin with the final exam. So begin with the final exam. Here you have a questions, multiple questions, and in between the courses also you will get a quiz. And after giving the this exam, you will get a certificate. So this is advanced time series view certificate. I have completed my course and this quiz. So here you can see certificate on completion, your name and other details, and there is a advanced time series. And when you have earned and expired date, you will get all the details, and you can download and share you with this certificate with your social media and anywhere. Okay, your certificate will looks like this. So in this video, we have learned how to get 100% free CrateDB time series course and certificate. So all the step-by-step process is there. I'll provide you the URL on the description. You can go through this. Disclaimer is there. All trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the educational and informational purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Note, follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comments box. I will reply personally. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the Chirag Mahto official tutorial. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.